Renault Mechanics, experts in Renault services. From servicing to repairs and upgrades, we provide reliable and trusted solutions for your Renault. Guaranteed 100% satisfaction with Renault services in Melbourne. 7+ years of experience, offering reliable service, repairs, and maintenance for all Renault models. Schedule your appointment today. Personalized Renault services for your vehicle's unique needs. We customize our services based on your Renault's history, driving conditions, and requirements to ensure long-term performance. Contact us for an obligation-free estimate. Advanced Renault repair services. Genuine parts, industry-standard techniques, and expert care to keep your Renault in top condition while maintaining your warranty. Complimentary services, because your comfort matters. Enjoy coffee, Wi-Fi, and a relaxing lounge while we service your Renault. Courtesy cars and pickup/drop-off available with select services. Get in touch with us for expert Renault care. Whether it's a fleet, commercial vehicle, or private car, we're here to meet your Renault servicing needs. Elevate your drive experience excellence. Contact us today. Precision repairs, authentic Renault parts, superior service, every drive.